She is my daughter that I told you. Her mother abandoned when she was 3 months old and ran off to marry.
This is becoming too much. I don't know how long I'm supposed to take this. In fact, it's even better. Let her take the clothes so I can have peace.
Go in there, assist her to pick any little thing she has in the house. Get out from the line of fire. Fire through you. Are you mad?
Where?
And to think that my husband is playing along.
She's very beautiful. Her backside, everything.
That man that wants to marry her has the temerity to ask my husband to play father to that stupid house help. It can only happen when I'm dead.
Indeed, there is a big gap between the rich and the poor. Their worlds are simply apart. They are two parallel lines that can never.
She's just an ordinary house help. Do you expect her to eat what we eat?
Why will she ask me to wash her undies for her now?
Make sure they are sparkling clean. Watch out for the armpit areas and make sure they are totally removed.
Unbelievable.
She hates me and maltreats me at will every time.
In as much as I enjoy your services, I will not tolerate you insult my husband in any way.
It is only a foolish man that will live under the same roof with a man who is sleeping with his wife.
Where is this daughter of a prostitute?
So right now, I don't have any more.
In that case, you're a bastard. From what she just said, probably her mother is a prostitute. Those that, discharge their children either in the waters or anywhere.
You see, I love that girl with everything I've got. Okay?
You think I don't know you're sleeping with her?
Sleeping with her?
Yes!
And so, what can you do about it? You drag my name along the mud before the judge, before the DGO. Are you
Life has not been so fair to me. I am going down gradually by the day.
Even as a king?
You just want to kill this poor girl. From the first day I went to that house, that man never left me.
I want to see my daughter Diola.
I will talk